Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the relationships in the TypeORM. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In TypeORM, relationships are associations between the entities that reflect how data is structured across the tables in a relationship database. They define how the tables are linked together. Okay, so relations allow entities to connect, interact, and exchange the data with one another. In relational database, relations are often represented using foreign keys, okay, which point to records in another table. TypeORM provides decorators to manage these relationships between the entities, simplifying complex database operations and enabling a more object-oriented way to handle the data. Okay, so the TypeORM supports how many type of relationship? One-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. One-to-one relationship means a single entity instance of one type is associated with a single entity instance of the another type. Many to many, many to one, a single entity instance of one type is associated with multiple instances of another type, and the vice versa. Many to many, multiple instances of one entity type are associated with multiple instances of another type. I will give you the both three examples with the code level also. Okay, just it's an introduction like how the things goes on. One to one relationship. A one-to-one relationship links a single entity instance to another single instance of a different entity. This is useful when each record in one table uniquely correspond to a record in the another. Take an example. A user might have one unique profile and each profile belongs to one user. Typically, this relationship involves foreign key in one of the tables pointing to the another one, representing exclusivity. One to many and many to one. Take an example. Okay, for instance, a user can have many posts, right? A user can add many posts, okay, but each post is written by only one user, that's me. This is achieved by placing a foreign key in the many side of the relationship, pointing to that one side. Okay, next we have a many to many relationships, right? So many to many relationships occurs when multiple instances of one entity associated with multiple instances of the another. Take an example. A student may enroll in the multiple courses. Like suppose I'm a student, I want to enroll in the multiple courses, like I want to learn JavaScript, I want to learn HTML, CSS, Python. Okay, these are my courses. Each courses can have multiple students, right? I am the one of them. Other two three persons are also have the same courses. Yes. So this is often implemented with a joint table that contains foreign keys from both the entities, establishing a bidirectional association. Why we use relationships? Relationships is simply data management by allowing entities to be associated directly in the type ORM, enabling easy retrieval and manipulation of the related data instead of manual writing the SQL queries with joins. Okay, so type ORM lets you load related data through a simple API, making the code more maintainable and object oriented. In the next coming videos, we are going to learn all these three things with code level. Okay, so be with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.